Noom Coach app. The pros, the cons. Most people think weight loss is all about diet and exercise, but Noom says it's about psychology. The Noom Coach app takes a different approach, using behavioral science to help users change their habits for good. But does it actually work? Let's look at the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Noom stands out because it focuses on mindset, not just calorie counting. The app uses short daily lessons, quizzes, and coaching to help you understand why you eat the way you do. It's like having a nutritionist and therapist in one. The tracking tools are simple yet effective. You can log meals, record workouts, and monitor your weight. Color-coded food system makes healthy choices easy to understand, with green, yellow, and red categories based on calorie density. Many users report feeling more mindful and in control of their eating habits after just a few weeks. Now for the cons. Noom's subscription cost is higher than most fitness apps, and some users find the daily lessons repetitive or time-consuming. The food database, large, can have occasional gaps, and real-time human coaching varies in quality depending on your assigned coach. In conclusion, the Noom Coach app is best for those who struggle with emotional or habitual eating. It's not a quick fix, it's a mindset shift. If you're ready to invest time and effort into truly understanding your habits, Noom can be life-changing. But if you just want a simple tracker, it might feel like too much work.